Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about chemical reactions and equations, the first chapter of class 10 chemistry. So what are chemical reactions? Actually, chemical reaction, it is the conversion of reactants into the products, is known as chemical reaction. Or in another way, it is the change of one or more substances into other substances having different compositions and properties is called a chemical reaction. So during a chemical reaction, a new substance is formed. For example, when we burn the magnesium ribbon, magnesium react with oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, and it forms magnesium oxide. So it's a permanent change. It's a chemical change. Every chemical change accompanied by chemical reactions. So chemical reactions are of different types. For example, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. So in a chemical reaction, the substance which undergo chemical reactions are known as reactants. The substance which take part in a chemical reaction is called reactants, whereas the substances formed are called products. So let us discuss about different types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. In a combination reaction, two or more similar substances combine together to form new substance is called a combination reaction. You can represent three reactants A, B, C. It gives a compound. It forms a single compound called ABC. Such type of reactions are known as combination reactions. So there are even the burning of magnesium ribbon. It's an example of combination reaction. So some of the examples we can discuss now. Let us see some of the examples. Hydrogen react with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Here hydrogen just combine with the chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride. So a single product is formed. Magnesium also react with the chlorine to form magnesium chloride. So some of the examples also given in the textbook. Refer it properly. So another type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. So what is a decomposition reaction? A reaction in which a substance is broken down into two or more similar substances is known as decomposition reaction. Actually, decomposition reaction is just opposite of combination reaction. So a decomposition reaction takes place only when some energy is given in the form of light or electricity or in the form of heat. So decomposition reactions are of different types. There are thermal decomposition, in which the energy is supplied in the form of heat. There are electrolytic decomposition, in which the energy is supplied in the form of electricity. There are light decomposition too. So for example, zinc carbonate. So it's a single reactant. It breaks down into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. And electrolysis of water, splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen in the presence of electricity. That's an example of electrolytic decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate, it decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It's an example of thermal decomposition, where heat energy is required to decompose.